Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today one on how to sharpen a cylinder lawnmower. These, still have some use. They have a pretty nice cut quality. They are silent, so you can mow your lawn on the weekends if you live somewhere where that's an issue. They are kinda not complicated, but very annoying to sharpen. Because as you can see, they have this cylindrical barrel. And you can't, you can obviously disassemble it. But if you start to disassemble a rusty old garden tool, you're gonna pull up a lot more problems than you try to solve, usually. And so I like to sharpen them when it is installed. And the best tool for sharpening is, unfortunately, a dremel tool. I have tried using my workshop in this configuration with the things removed and bent forward, but you need a hard backing. So let me show you how to quickly sharpen it, and then you can do it on your own. So on my dremel I'm using this hard grinding wheel. You can get them from lots of brands, but you need something with a hard backing in order to get a nice edge on this sort of blade. If it is a soft, like a rubber wheel with some sandpaper around, you're just gonna round the corner over and you need a hard surface. And then you're just gonna turn on your dremel, turn this forward, be very careful. This has to be set up very stable, because this obviously has a gearbox inside, and if I turn the wheel just a little bit, it's gonna cut your finger off, and you don't want that. So everything needs to be pretty secure. And if you've got it set up, you take your dremel, you turn it on, and you start sharpening. And as you can see, that's how you do it. That's how you do it all the way around. So we're gonna see us at the end when I'm done with this one. And after 10-15 minutes and a very annoying and loud process, we are done. You can see all the surfaces have been nicely ground. These won't be as sharp as a normal lawnmower blade, because the grinding angle is very, very steep compared to a normal lawnmower blade, which is basically ground as a knife, pretty flat. And so it won't feel as razor sharp as a normal blade does, but it just works with the blade speed and with the curve, and that way it's still fine. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.